Hello you guys and welcome. This video is very different than my other videos. Never in my dining room. We're gonna be reviewing some slime and I spent $90 on this slime. Why, you ask? Well, because I have two kids at home that love to play with slime, and these two, in particular, these two companies kept popping up on my For You page and I just had to see what it was all about. So this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I bought 4 slimes, 2 from each company, and I just kind of wanted to see how they compare. I don't know, all these shorts that I'm watching, they look very, very similar, so I'm very curious to see. Now, I will say right off the bat, the boxes are very different. This is the one from Snoopslimes, and it's just in a plain little box like that. It does say fragile. And then the one from Peachybbies is actually really cute. So this is how this box looks. Packaging, I would definitely give Peachybbies the win for that because it's much more appealing. When you go on their website, you have to put in your email address and then they can notify you of their restocks. So for both of these companies, they do a restock every Friday evening, I want to say. So I was kind of freaking out because I'm like, are they going to sell out really, really fast? I ordered them really, really quickly, so I wanted to make sure that I got the ones that we wanted. So I let the girls pick out 2, and then the other 2 I am surprising them with. They range anywhere from like $15 to like $18, which, yes, that's a lot for slime, but they're using better ingredients than you would find maybe like on Amazon or something. You don't even know what's in those. So that's why I felt better about spending the money on these, because the ingredients were going to be better and it's like a small business. I would rather support that. And they're really, really cute. They have like 4 different kinds of slimes. There's a butter, a cloud cream, a clear, and a thicky. I can't even tell you which ones I ordered. So once we get in there and dig in, we will see. Hopefully it tells me what we ordered. Hopefully that's in here because I wanted to give you guys prices. Up first, we are doing the Snoopslimes. Okay, so it looks like we got the Jellyland Refresher, which was $15.60. So the Jellyland Refresher, which was $15.60, and that's the one that you got. And then she got the Cherry Blossom Macaroon, which was $17, and I believe that one is like a clay DIY kit. I don't know, what do they call them?
A clay kit?
Clay kit, yeah. Okay, so let's see what's in here. There's just this little card. Oh, okay, so scan to view your slime care guide. So that'll tell us like, oh, and it says obviously slime is not edible, do not consume, blah, 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 blah. Sticker, what is that? Borax powder. Oh, this is to make the slime activator. So if like after a while when it gets a little older, we can check this out, and then if we need to use that, we can. So, all right, let's do Arya's first because hers is a little less, it's a little smaller than the other one.
Yeah,
so
because mine has lots of accessories. Could I open it?
Yep, open it on up. So let me see, this just says Jellyland Refresher. Oh, and it's got the little, what are those little things called?
Jelly cubes.
Jelly cubes. Oh, that's so cute. I can't wait to smell it. And then what else? What's in here?
There's sprinkles.
Oh, so it's got little sprinkles, and then it looks like there's little charms in here. Oh, all right. Go ahead, open her on up. Does it smell good? It doesn't really smell that strong. They do look like little marshmallows. Oh, those are so cute.
It's a little bit.
That's so cute, right?
Yeah.
So it's just like a little plastic charm. Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
A Swedish fish.
A Swedish fish. Here, where do you want to put that?
Could I mix it?
Oh my gosh. Wait, let me just... What are all these little charms? What are those little things?
Bears.
Whoops.
I think they're... Yeah,
Oh my gosh, they are like little gummy bears. That is so cute. Let's see you play with it. How does it feel?
Sticky.
Is it sticky? Can you get it out? Ah! That's so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Maybe if you just play with it for a little bit, it won't be as sticky.
Yeah, let's use
Whoa. my gosh, it is so sticky. So I'm assuming like it will, I think if you just kind of play with it, like.
It's getting better.
Is it getting better?
I think.
It's so weird.
I feel it.
Oh. Oh my gosh, it's so messy.
It feels so weird.
That's crazy. Yeah. I really want to have to do this, but the other box came with a sticky fix spray, and I think you're just kind of supposed to spray it on the slime, and it's supposed to help it make it not so sticky. Is it helping yet?
Yeah, a little.
All right, so while she tries to get that off of her hands, we're gonna go ahead and start opening this one. It's gonna be darker.
So this is the cherry blossom macaroon.
Okay, what else is in there?
And then this is like some clay or something, I feel
Let me
like.
see. It doesn't say, yeah. This might be like just like the topping.
And then
Topping?
we got
Maybe just
a
spray
little
a little
bag of, like there's a little bunny with some flowers.
It's so
How
cute.
cute is
And
that?
then,
That is the clay
and then
macaroon,
this is
I
the
think.
macaroon. Wait, I think this is the filling for the macaroon. I think this is the filling for the macaroon.
Oh, you're right.
Let
Does it feel
me
really sticky?
connect the macaroon and stuff. Oh, that feels so weird.
Yeah.
It feels so weird to touch it. It feels like wet.
Ooh. Oh, and it smells really good.
Oh yeah, I could smell it.
I
Okay,
want
so
to
that goes
squish a
inside.
clay one.
Let's put the macaroon on top. Oh my
It's like a
goodness, how
spider
cute
web.
is that? You could sprinkle them in your hand and then do it.
I'm gonna first take out this giant little bunny.
Okay. Just put that in here. It'll stick in there really good.
Just a couple on top, and then the rest can go like
Oh my gosh, look at it like overflowing.
right here. Oh, that's sticky. So,
You ready to dig in? Go for it. You can't. Oh, how's it feel? Oh my gosh. So sticky. OMG.
Mine is still sticky.
Oh my gosh. What a mess.
this feels
All right.
so cool though.
Does it? Can you take it all out?
It's like a
Here.
big spider web now.
Oh no. Oh. I feel like this one's definitely not as sticky because of the clay. Ooh. Right?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yeah, true.
Oh my gosh, it's so stretchy. You cannot buy this in the store. This is like, this is way better slime, don't you think?
Yeah, can I try now?
No, it's mine. Let me see this, honey. I feel like it's already helping.
I want to get it off.
All right, hold on. I just want to make sure that it's like, hold on. Oh, that's so much better. I hope I didn't add too much. That's so much better.
But sometimes
Right?
you can deactivate the slime.
It seems better.
Ooh, it's fun. All right, try to get it off your hands now. Okay, cool. So we just used
Why
some
is
of
it
their,
so sticky on my hands?
just keep playing with it. Probably because you have some on your hands already. Just keep playing with it. So I used some of they had like a little borax solution. I just mixed it with water and then did that. And I feel like, do you feel like it's helping? It's still really sticky on her. What on earth? What the heck? It wasn't like that on me. Okay, it's the next day. The kiddos are upstairs. They are gonna come down as soon as I get this all ready for them. So they're gonna smash it and play with it. I'm gonna just unbox and get it ready get it together. Excited to unbox this one, and obviously we kind of peeked a little bit because I couldn't wait, but I have to say I'm gonna kind of like give you my thoughts on which brand I like better and which one I think is more worth the money. Don't know if I said in the beginning, but I spent around $43 to $46 for each order, so that's a lot for slime. Shipping was not free. I want to say it was like $8 to ship, so keep that in mind. So when you open this one, it's got a packing slip. The other one I don't think did. So yeah, this order was $46.90, basically $47. That is insane. So one of them was $15.99, and then the other one, the clay kit, was $18.99. So these prices are a little bit more than the other ones, but not by much. So in here it has a slime care card just like the other one, and it came with, this is the little sticky fix spray that we used on the other one. It's kind of cool that they put it in a little spray bottle, and I'm wondering, yeah, I think I could open this so when this is gone I can pour the other one into here, because I do like the spray because you can just kind of spray it onto your hands, so I do like that. So it came with a cute little bracelet that says slime is the mood. That's super cute. And I think these are stickers. What are you? Yeah, these are just little stickers that it came with. And then of course there's a little squishy here for the kids. Love these little things. I don't know, that's cute. That's a nice little touch that they just added a couple little extras in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig into this one. This one we don't have to put together or anything. I love their packaging. Like, this is so cute. So this is the Peachybbies Gamer Fluff Cake. And I got this one because my daughter loves to play Xbox, and the charms in here are like basically little Xbox controllers, kind of. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Already put together, like I said, it just has like all the little charms in there, and then it does have the 3 layers. And these are the, I want to say this is like the cloud slime. Oh my gosh, I want to like push into it so bad, but I'm gonna wait for the girls. And the scent is very strong. It's really sweet. It kind of almost reminds me of like a blue raspberry lemonade or something like that. It smells really, really good. So, okay, I just want to like push it so bad. But that's what that one looks like. And here's they put a bunch of those little packing peanuts in there, and those are like super fun to play with too. My kids were having a blast playing with them. And I love these boxes. So this next one, this is the Sour Gummy Bears DIY clay kit. So it comes with the slime here, and then your clay, and like the little charms and everything. So I open this one. So this one kind of has like a glitter on top. We were kind of messing with it yesterday, but it's so pretty. It's glittery on top. And this one is really strong smelling as well, but it's really, I don't know. It just smells like candy. That's why they definitely put on here, do not eat, because they smell like food. Open this up. And these sprinkles in here, I looked at them, they look like legit sprinkles. I mean, they look, I don't know what they make these out of, but look at that. They look like real sprinkles. Okay, so this one, you're just kind of supposed to put the little gummy bears on. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. These do not smell great. It's probably good because people would try to eat them if they smelled really good. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then it's got the 2 little gummy bear charms. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute are these? We're just gonna put that there. And then sprinkle the little sprinkles on top. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. All right, go for it. I want to squeeze one. Oh, it's so weird.
It's like it comes back.
I know, it's like super squishy, huh? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Push it, like push in. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. You're fine.
It's so watery.
It's watery?
Yeah, I feel like the slime.
Can I stick my finger in?
Yeah.
Ooh, weird. Let's try to get it out. Oh my gosh.
It's so weird.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh. It kind of looks like kinetic sand, right?
Yeah, it does.
That is
like that.
so cool. You like how it feels?
I'm kind
Yeah.
of scared to mix mine because there's
It's
different
gonna be
colors.
so cool.
It's gonna be like a galaxy.
Do you like how it smells?
Yeah.
Smell this one.
Yours?
I don't. It smells like a fruit snack.
Yeah, that one reminds me of like a blue raspberry, like lemonade or something. Okay, so she's gonna keep mixing that one up, and now Kinsley's gonna get into the gamer fluff cake. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Cake?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Little cake.
Aren't those so cute?
They say win.
Oh my gosh, these are so cool.
This has a cool pattern.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Oh, that feels so weird.
Does
It
it feel
feels like
weird?
wet.
Do you think they
In
feel
my
similar?
opinion, I think that this feels better than the other.
Yeah.
Don't you kind of think?
Oh, that is so weird. It's like,
Ice.
yeah,
Smashed ice.
that is so cool.
Does it feel the same as mine?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me try this.
It doesn't it look like kinetic sand?
Yeah, when you scratch it.
That
it
is
does.
so
Look.
cool. Oh my gosh.
It doesn't even
the
look
color.
like it uses glue.
That's so crazy. I wonder how they do make these. Okay, I have to say these fluff ones are probably my favorite. That is so awesome looking. Whoa. Well, I know what I'm going to be doing when they're at school. Playing with slime all day long. That's really, really cool. Okay, so final thoughts, girls. Which one out of the 4 would you say is your favorite?
This one.
So the Peachybbies wins, hands down. I like their packaging better. And like, no offense to Snoopslimes, I'm just going, this is my opinion. They're both really cool companies. They have awesome stuff, and I have to say, like, the slimes are totally different. Like those, I don't know the official terms, but these are like the cloud ones, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
And these are just really, really cool. I've never experienced anything like these. Let me see this. Look at this color. It's like turning green.
The green is so cute.
That
Look at
is
this color.
so-
It's like a galaxy.
That looks like cotton candy. No, I want it. These are so cool. I think the scents are better with the Peachybbies too. Yeah, I would say these are my favorite. But we're definitely gonna enjoy playing with all of them, so.
Well, we love all the slimes. It's just that these ones from, what is it?
Peachybbies.
From Peachybbies is our personal favorite.
Yep, that's
But we
right.
still will play with the Snoopslimes.
Yep.
Because we spent $90 on slime.
I would say it was worth it. Would you
Yeah.
say it was worth it?
Yeah.
All right, did you guys have fun doing this video with Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried either of these companies or if you've tried any other companies that you would maybe recommend. Maybe we need to try more. Maybe. Highly recommend both of these companies, but I prefer Peachybbies. All right, you guys, we hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye. You want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.